Most security breaches today don't start inside your organization. They begin through a trusted third party, a vendor, supplier, or integration partner with access to your business. That's why regulators and security frameworks now expect continuous third-party risk monitoring, not just annual questionnaires. This is where our third-party risk management service makes the difference. We help you assess, validate, and continuously monitor vendor risks using structured assessment frameworks, security questionnaires, and evidence-based assurance. Our approach is simple and structured. We begin with vendor inventory and categorization to identify and prioritize your vendors. Next, we design a risk assessment framework tailored to your business. We then execute comprehensive vendor assessments, followed by continuous monitoring to track evolving risks. Finally, we deliver a reporting and governance framework with executive, technical, and compliance reports, so every stakeholder gets the insights they need. Throughout the engagement, you gain complete visibility into every finding, every recommendation, and every milestone, ensuring third-party risk is always under control. Let's show you how on a quick call. Reach out today.